Welcome! In this video we're going to take a look at how to manage customer Velocloud devices. Once logged in, we will be presented with a network overview page, showing edge and link statuses. We can easily navigate to a specific device by selecting it on the Edges table. On the Edge overview page, we are able to see link status and bandwidth usage. This information can be filtered on a date and time range by selecting the drop-downs or date fields. Additional link information can be displayed by selecting the right arrow above the table. On the bandwidth usage card, the charts are interactive, and users are able to navigate to detailed information breakdowns by clicking on relevant fields. Users can also select the arrow button on the chart title to navigate to these pages. The QoE page shows the quality score for different applications. There are 3 different traffic types that you can monitor in the QoE tab: voice, video, and transactional. These can be selected from the drop-down menu. The Transport tab shows detailed information for links and transport groups. The drop-down menu above the table allows users to select from an array of different data, such as average throughput, bytes sent and received, latency, and packet loss. The Applications page shows a breakdown of data usage per application. This is displayed as both a time-based graph as well as a table. Here the elements are also interactive, so we can select items for a more detailed view. This information can also be grouped by category if required. The Sources page allows users to monitor the network usage of devices and operating systems for a specific edge. This can be grouped either by device or operating system. Similarly, the Destinations page shows the network usage data of the destinations of the network traffic. This can be grouped by domain, fully qualified domain name, or IP address. To set up alerts and notifications, users can navigate to the Configure section and select Alerts and Notifications. Here we are able to set up specific alerts as well as how they will be delivered. To set up an alert, we will first select an alert type and set a notification delay if required. We can then configure a communication method and then test to ensure that it is valid. Once both of these have been completed, the notification is set up. Remote Diagnostics, which is found under the Test and Troubleshooting menu, allows us to run specific tests on edges. Once we have selected an edge, the device will enter live mode, which will allow us to run an assortment of tests. Please note, many of these are service impacting, so take caution before proceeding. ARP table dump will display the contents of the device's ARP table. The DNS test will perform a DNS lookup for a specified domain. Flushing flows will be required if changes are made to traffic classification. This will have less of an impact than restarting the device. Listing active flows will allow for better insight into active data flows. This can be filtered on a source and destination address, and will show information such as protocol, port, application, and link policy. Ping tests can be performed directly from the device. Route tables can also be displayed from this menu. Trace routes can be performed directly from the device. For any additional assistance, please feel free to contact us.